Hey you guys, I hope you're doing well. So we are back at CVS for the second week of the CVS sales ad after the new year. And by the way, happy New Year's to you all. I hope you had a great start to 2026. My couponing and content goals for 2026 are to post more short form content, to do months throughout 2026 where I'm posting every single day. I think once a quarter I'm going to do a month that I'm posting every day on short form. Because I did that back in August, and it was a really great month for me, and I feel opened up a lot of opportunities, so I want to do that more regularly in 2026. And I also want to post more short form content in general for you guys, and different styles of short form content, trying to make videos that are more engaging and more helpful, more step by step, really detailed, to where new couponers and people who don't coupon could find them helpful. And also to post more content that's general, that could be helpful to a wider audience outside of couponing content. So I'm just gonna be looking to expand and doing different things in 2026. And I also want to expand into more stores in 2026, not for long form in this format. For this, I'm gonna just continue to do CVS every single week for you guys, like I've been doing since 2020. But I really want to expand into Target for my short form, because a couple years ago I was really into Target and doing it every single week. But for some reason that just fell off for me. But now that I moved, I live right next to a Target. I live right next to my Target. I live right next to my CVS. So I really want to just head over there more frequently and try to find different things, try to post food deals, because obviously there's almost no food deals at CVS. And I feel there are a lot of good things going on at Target. Definitely enough to do a weekly short form video on the best deals of the week. So let me know if you guys have any content ideas or suggestions for me for short form specifically in the comment section down below, or let me know what your guys' personal goals are for 2026. I'm really interested to hear in what you guys are working on for this year. I feel you don't need to be perfect. It just needs to be something that's manageable, I think, is the biggest thing for goals in general, is just things that setting realistic goals to where it is completely obtainable for you, and not even a stretch goal, something that you know that you can 100% do if you put your mind to it. That's what I'm focusing on this year, is not overwhelming myself and just doing really manageable and actionable goals for myself. So with all that being said, we don't have a ton of new stuff going on this week, but we do have a couple new deals with new digital coupons and rebates that we got. So I'm going to go over those new deals towards the beginning of the video, and then the repeat deals towards the end of the video. And then watch out for my short form videos this week, because I'm going to be trying a couple different things. And if you guys really want to help me out, if you guys will follow my backup TikTok account, it looks like this. This is the username. I'll also have the link in the description box and in the pinned comment. I'm trying to get this account to 1,000 followers. So if you want to help me in a way that's free and support me, if you guys can follow this account, that would help me so much. If you do it, leave me a comment in the comment section down below, and I will definitely thank you. And with all that being said, let's get into the video. Heads up that the Christmas clearance has hit 75% off as of Sunday, January 4th. All the non-food Christmas clearance is 75% off. At my store, it was still marked at 50, but I did scan some stuff and it is ringing up 75% off. And then all of the food items are still ringing up 30, so hopefully those get marked down further next week. Make sure to scan all of the items that you see that have Christmas themed packaging around your store and on end caps, and check the tops of the aisles, because my store had a lot of gift sets that were holiday themed. For example, this OGX was ringing up for 75% off for just $3.99, down from $15.99, and it comes with 3 different products. And then this Garnier Micellar kit is ringing up for just $2.99, down from $11.99. And then I also found this Starry gift set that's ringing up for $4.99, down from $19.99. So like I mentioned, it's not everything, but a decent amount of the holiday gift sets are ringing up 75% off. And again, make sure to check your end caps too. For example, these lip products, these chapsticks are holiday themed, so they'll be ringing up for 75% off. There's usually a few different lip displays around the store. Okay, so again, this week we have the $5 CRT on different facial care items, including CeraVe. You could grab one of these two items. I'm going to grab the moisturizing cream at $7.49 and use a $3 digital coupon and the $5 CRT, and that should give me like 51 cents overage. And a heads up, my $5 coupon was not showing in the app this morning when I opened my app. The only time that it showed up, it was so weird, is when I showed up at the CVS store and then it showed up in my app. I've also heard people saying that what you can do is go in store and scan an item that it should attach to. So scan like a La Roche-Posay item or a CeraVe item, and then you should be able to clip the coupon and it should show up in your app. Once you scan an item, you can clip it and then it should show up in your coupon section. You can also use the $5 CRT on Cetaphil, so you could grab the bar for $5.49 and use that $5 CRT, and that would make the bar just 49 cents. Okay, next to get into a spend 30 get 10 on facial care with the different facial care products with the $5 CRT. So what I put in my scenario is one of the Aquaphor ointments at $10.49, the Eucerin lotion plus sunscreen, that is $11.49, and then the CeraVe foaming cleansing bar, that's $8.79. So with my scenario, these three items total $30.77. We do have a $3 digital coupon for the Aquaphor, a $3 digital coupon for the Eucerin, the $5 facial care CRT that works on these different products, and then also a $3 digital for the CeraVe. And so you'd be left to pay $16.77 and you get back your $10 extra buck, making all three products $6.77, which is a great deal. We got a $1 Ibotta rebate on total home paper products, including these single packs of the Kleenex at 59 cents. So you could grab one and that'd have like a 41 cent overage on one, or you can grab three for $1.50 and that would make three of them 50 cents. Garnier Fructis is 2 for $9 and buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So grab two and use a $3 off two digital coupon and you'd be left to pay $6. And then you'll earn back your $3 extra buck on two, making two of them just $3 or $1.50 each. Very similar deal on the whole blends. They're 2 for $10. Buy two get back a $3 extra buck. So after the coupon and $3 extra buck back, it would make them 2 for $4. Okay, so we got a $2 Ibotta rebate on different CVS pill cases. I scanned like all of them at my store and almost none of them were attaching except for this one at $2.99. So that would make it just 99 cents. All the other ones that my store had in stock that were priced around like between $1 and $3 were not attaching to the rebate, but I do know there is a cheaper one that some stores carry that is attaching. So scan them at your store and see which ones are attaching and just grab the cheapest one. The Ollie vitamins are spend 30 get back a $10 extra bucks. You can grab two of them priced at $17.49. At my store, that was the cheapest one. So two would total $34.98. You'd pay that, earn back your $10 extra buck, and then you can submit to Ibotta for $4 back on each one, getting $8 back, making your final cost just $16.98 for two. And I know a lot of people are brand loyal to Ollie. Select gift cards are spend 50, get back a $15 extra buck, so that's a great deal. Seems like not very many are included, so see which ones your store has tagged. For sure, some of the movie ones and H&M are included, so if you're interested, it is a decent deal to earn back that extra buck that you can use on anything at CVS or for couponing deals. The Nivea lotion are buy two, get back a $7 extra buck, so grab two at $6.79, totaling $13.58, and use a $2 digital coupon. The $5 CRT is not attaching to these this week, so you'd pay $11.58, earn back the $7 extra buck, and that would make two of these just $4.58 for two. Again this week, the 21 count Neutrogena makeup remover wipes in the makeup section are spend 12, get back a $7 extra buck. So grab two totaling $13.18 and use a $3 digital. You'll pay $10.18, earning back that $7 extra buck, making two of them $3.18. Update to the Irish Spring and soft soap deal. It does include the 3-count Irish Spring bar soaps. So you can grab two of these totaling $4.98. You get back your $2 extra buck, making two packs, two 3-count packs, just $2.98 for both, or just $1.49 each. And again, the exact same deal applies to the soft soaps. You can grab two of those as well, or mix and match, and they'd end up being $1.49 each after the extra buck back. Okay, for our spend 30 get back a $10 extra buck deal on P&G laundry products, you can grab the Downy Unstoppables at $5.49, the Dawn Power Suds and Power Wash at $5.99 each, and then the Tide Liquid at $12.99. These four would total $30.46. We have a $3 digital for the Tide, a $2 for the Dawn Power Wash and for the Power Suds, and a $2 digital for the Downy Beads. So you'd be left to pay $21.46, earning back your $10 extra buck, and that would make all four products just $11.46, which is an excellent deal. Next to spend 30 get 10 deal that does require the 98% rule. You can grab one of the Tide Liquid at $12.99, the Febreze Small Spaces at $3.99, the Dawn Power Wash at $5.99, or you could also grab the Power Suds at $5.99, and then one of the Downy Rinse and Refresh at $6.99. And these 4 items would total $29.96. We have a $3 digital for the Tide, the $2.50 Coupon 24 app coupon for the Febreze, the $2 digital for the Dawn Power Wash or the Suds, and then a $2 Coupon 24 app coupon for the Downy Rinse and Refresh. And you'd be left to pay $20.46, earning back your $10 extra buck, and that would make all 4 items just $10.46 or cheaper if you use your PG Brand Saver $5 OTC gift card payment reward. All of the Huggies wipes are buy one get one free this week, including the single packs at $4.59 at my store and the 3-packs. The cheapest 3-pack is the Simply Clean at $10.79 at my store, so it'd make 2 3-packs, 6 total packs, just $10.79 for all 6 packs. And make sure to submit your receipt into Fetch too, because sometimes Huggies gives bonus points in the Fetch app. An update this week on our Huggies and Pull-Ups deal. They are on sale for 2 for $20 and spend 20, get back a $5 extra buck. So you can grab 2 packs of the Pull-Ups totaling $20 and use a 3 off 2 digital coupon that we just got. You'd pay $17, earn back the $5 extra buck, and then you can submit to Shopkick for 750 kicks back when you buy one of these, which is $3 since 250 points is $1. So that'd make your final cost just $9 for 2 packs or $4.50 each. The OGX hair care is buy one get one 50% off and buy 2 get back a $4 extra buck. So you can grab 2 of them totaling $13.93 and use a 6 off 2 digital coupon. We just got a new one this week. You'd be left to pay $7.93, earning back that $4 extra buck would make 2 bottles $3.93. And if you do have an additional $1 OGX CRT, I've been getting that the past few weeks, but I did not get it this week for some reason. That would make it even $1 cheaper, so make sure to check your account. The Crest toothpaste, along with the Oral-B toothbrushes and some of the Crest mouthwash, are on sale for $3.99, and they are buy 3, get back a $5 extra buck. So grabbing 3 would total $11.97, and we do have a 5 off 3 digital coupon that's working on all 3 types of products. So you'd be left to pay $6.97, earning back that $5 extra buck, and that would make all 3 oral care products just $1.97. Okay, next into a CRT deal. The more expensive Crest adult toothpaste like the Gum and the Brilliance are on sale for $8.99 and buy 2 get back a $5 extra buck. So you can pair that with the Crest toothpaste deal for the cheaper ones, or the toothbrushes or the mouthwash. These 5 items would total $29.95, and you can use a 5 off 25 Crest CRT. That's the one that I got this week. We have a $4 digital for the Crest Brilliance toothpaste, a $4 digital for the Gum toothpaste, and a 5 off 3 digital for the cheaper toothpaste. You'd be left to pay $11.95, and you'd earn back a total of $10 in extra bucks for the 2 different oral care deals, and that would make all 5 products just $1.95. We also have a mouthwash deal on the more expensive Crest mouthwash on sale for $8.99, buy one get back a $2 extra buck, and we have a $3 digital coupon. So you'd pay $5.99, and after the $2 extra buck, it would make one of these just $3.99. So another way that you can do the deal with the 5 off 25 CRT is these 3 items that total $26.97. With the 5 off 25 CRT, the $4 digital for the Brilliance toothpaste, the $4 digital for the Gum toothpaste, and the $3 digital for the mouthwash, you'd end up paying $10.97, earning back $7 in extra bucks, would make the 3 products just $3.97. Okay, I really like this deal on popcorn. The larger bags of Well-Market popcorn are on sale for $1.99, and we do have a $1 Ibotta rebate, making these just 99 cents. If you don't already have Ibotta, I'll have it linked in the description box down below and in the pinned comment to get a $5 bonus when you sign up and submit for your first Ibotta offer like this one on the popcorn. The General Mills cereal are on sale for $1.99 each this week, so you can grab 2 of them totaling $3.98 and use a $1 off 2 digital coupon, and you'd end up paying just $2.98 for 2 boxes, or $1.49 each. I don't have Ibotta rebates anymore, but check your account and also check your Fetch account to see if you have any bonus offers on Fetch as well to make it an even better deal. So I only grabbed one thing really this week, which was the CeraVe moisturizing cream, and I wanted to show you guys that it does work for the overage. The $3 digital coupon and the $5 CRT both came off in the full amount, even though it was only $7.49. So it took off $8, and then I got some toilet paper that I needed that also worked with the $1 Ibotta rebate on Total Home paper products. So it was a really good deal, gave me a little bit of overage on my toilet paper. So a heads up, grab the cheapest item that you can find that attaches to a digital coupon and the $5 CRT to get the most overage as possible, so you can use that overage for items that you need, for example, like toilet paper or food. So let me know what you guys are picking up this week. Let me know what your New Year's goals or resolutions are in the comment section down below, and I will catch you guys next week for a brand new CVS ad and video.